Hello friends, welcome to my second season. We have already completed the 12 forts in the first season, and this is the second season I'm starting from today. And the first fort would be the sea fort. I am at Arabian Sea and I'll show you which fort is this. Keep watching.
You all must have heard about Alibag, and after that Murud Janjira Fort. When you travel from Alibag to Janjira, after passing Revdanda, you see at the right side there is a one fort on small hill. This fort was built in 1521 by the Portuguese with the permission of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar Sultanate. However, in 1594, a Portuguese captain took complete possession of the fort. This fort had been described by then travelers as a magnificent fortress as strong as any other in the world. And at the end, the fort was captured by Marathas in 739, which is none other than Korlai Fort. So let's visit Korlai Fort today.
Hello guys, आता आम्ही आलोय दुसऱ्या डेकवर आणि आम्ही हे बघा हा मोठा आणि हाय गाइस आम्ही आता आमचा लंच ब्रेक आमच्याला आता आम्ही ना ट्रेकिंगला चाललोय आणि तिथे लाईट हाऊस आहे आणि तिथे लाईट हाऊस आहे आणि त्याचा टायमिंग 10 आहे मॉर्निंग 10 आणि इव्हनिंग 6:30 तर आम्ही जाणार आहे तुम्ही पूर्ण व्हिडिओ बघा आणि लाईक शेअर सबस्क्राइब करा आणि लाईट हाऊसच्या इथं गार्डन पण आहे आणि
So yes, we are at the Korlai Fort, which is near to the Alibag, and we are starting our trek soon. Right now we are the only people here. So this is a lighthouse at the Korlai Fort base, which timing you already saw that Reyansh and Riya told what is the timing. She once told you. And we will be starting our trek from this here. It is a small trek, it is a small hill, it won't be a big trek. This is the road from where we came. Really very scenic. हे इथून वरती जाता येतं ना किल्ल्यावर?
व्हॉट्सअप गाइस आता आम्ही आमचा ट्रेक चालू करणार आहे. चला आता पेट पूजा झाली आता चला
चलो पेट पूजा झालेली आहे आता चलो. आज आमच्या बरोबर आहे शिवांश से हाय, रेयांश, रिया, अमृता
हाय
आणि सागर. प्रथमेश येणार होता पण फॉर सम एमर्जन्सी ही कुड नॉट कम. तर आम्ही आज किती 3-6 जण आहोत and we are starting our trek.
To reach Korlai Fort, it is a 3 hours drive from Navi Mumbai. We started at 5:30 in the morning to avoid any traffic, and we reached here by around 8:30. The road is very nice, no issues, and you can park your vehicle near to the Korlai lighthouse.
Okay, so after small 5 minutes trek, and it was just the steps.
गाइस आणि मी लीडर आहे, हे दोघं कॅप्टन आणि मी कॅप्टन आहे, हा सेकंड कॅप्टन आहे आणि रिया फर्स्ट कॅप्टन आणि जिथे ते दिसतात ते सगळे मेंबर. आणि आता आम्ही पोहोचलोय तिथे एक गेट आहे त्याच्या आम्ही आज चाललोय. चला
So we have reached to the gate of fort. This is actually a small fort gate, not a big one. I think the big gate would be somewhere else. Let's explore fort. Our leader and captain are showing us the fort. Captains, okay, captains. Riya and Shivansh are the captains and leader is Reyansh. Wow. Awesome. Huh? It's not pistol, it's a bastion. Bastion बोलतात इंग्लिश मध्ये? Sorry, I don't know what. I don't recall.
मागे
तोफला काय बोलतात इंग्लिश मध्ये?
अरे हे
चला
आर वरून आहे.
Pardon my English knowledge, sorry. But see the view. That's the bridge from where we actually came.
Yeah.
Go back. That's the Revdanda, which you are seeing. And there you can see Alibag. Very nice view. अरे भाई इतने हवा है. अरे हाँ रे. Okay, here is our car parked and we are at the top now. What an awesome view we are experiencing, enjoying. I told you not to wear shoes, but you were like... You wanted to say something on this fort selection?
It's a really nice selection and it's a nice way to come and it's really nice view what we are having.
And who suggested this fort? Can you tell?
Of course. I don't need to mention his name.
Oh, thank you very much.
He's our trek advisor, tour planner, everything.
Guys, look at this. There is a sagar.
Oh, there is a sagar and here is a sagar. Oh, very nice.
Look. There is Amruta.
Okay.
Ranch. Wow. Here is another cannon. You can see here is also one cannon, which is actually now hidden in the grass. There is one more. So this is kind of a old tank, and see we have a Asian Paints dabba also to fetch the water. Just to let you know, this is not Shivkalin dabba or Portuguese era dabba. This is current era dabba. Portuguese times hai. Oh, tuza Cristiano Ronaldo. So this is actually the main gate, but this gate is closed now. So we have come from that lighthouse gate, which you saw at the start. And we are at the Portuguese church. Asul konitari Portugal. You can see some Portuguese script here. पाण्याची टाकी आहे तिथे. Oh, what is there? Oh, ये किला खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. बापरे, अजून. Very peaceful fort. This is Saturday actually, and monsoon season. So you must be you can actually guess that all forts will have a lot of crowds. Oh, it will be overcrowded. But this fort has only we are the only people on this fort. We are enjoying this peaceful. So we are back at the gate where we started. As I expected, it took 1 hour to explore the fort, and now we are going down. So yeah, there was another gate, main gate, but actually we have been told, when we checked with the local villagers, they told us that there is a lot of grass has come on that way, so it's not advisable to come on from that gate. So again, and plus our car is also parked here only, so we are back to this gate. So it was really nice, small, weather was good, so I would really recommend to explore this fort. I'll show you if we are exploring something more on the Korlai. Keep watching.
ते सांग त्याच्यामध्ये व्हिडिओ ब्लॉग मध्ये तुम्हाला पैसे भरले असेल कसं लवकर या.
We are going back now. We'll see if there is any beach on the way. We'll go on the beach. Okay, this is the road to go Korlai Fort. Sagar is driving. We are actually planning to go on that beach. This is our Korlai Fort, and now we have stopped here for the beach. See, here is the Korlai beach. Riya, Reyansh and Shivansh are getting ready to go for a beach.
Guys, आता आम्ही चाललोय बीच वर.
And we are at the Korlai beach. No one is here actually. This is not actually a tourist beach. So no water sports or nothing. And the water is clean, if you see. But on the beach you can say there is a lot of trash. Riya, Reyansh and Shivansh are enjoying. We actually strictly instructed them not to go on a water. So they are enjoying here on the beach sand. गुहागरला. फाउल है.
पाऊल आहे.
Shivansh has built a well here. See, he has got the water also. After spending a good half an hour at the Korlai beach, we are leaving now.
आपल्याला
हा ब्रिज दिसलेला. करेक्ट.
हो, दिसला होता बरोबर. Okay, now we are at the Chaul. Chaul is a city near Revdanda. It was famous during the Chalukya dynasty, and we are here to visit the Rameshwar Mandir. See the Rameshwar Mandir, I'll show you.
Shri Rameshwar temple is the ancient temple in the village Chaul. In front of the temple there is a Nandi Mandapam and a big stepped well which is known as a Pushkarini. Outside the temple there are two big beautiful Deepmalas also, which gets lightened up during a Tripurari Purnima. The beauty of the temple is very amazing at this time. This historical Shri Kshetra Rameshwar temple is a must see at least once when you visit Alibag. And with proper precautions you can also enjoy swimming or taking a bath in this Pushkarini stepped well.
Now on our way back we have taken a halt at Trupti Sandesh holiday home. We had come here earlier also. You might want to see the entire vlog for this. Right now we are waiting here for the lunch. We have taken a halt here for the lunch. Here is our lunch. Due to Shravan we are going for veg thali. Kai karnar? So we had our lunch and we are ending it with Solkadi. It's good. So that's all about today. We done with the Korlai Fort, then we had the Korlai beach. We visited Rameshwar temple and ended up with the lunch. And now we are going to head back home. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please share it. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Comment what videos you would like to see more. Thank you very much. Bye bye.